Bert Badger, Bert Badger, Bert Badger, Bert Badger, Bert Badger. Nice to meet you. Bert Badger in the house.
Hey guys, I'm Bert Badger, and welcome to Nice to Meet Ya. If it's your first time joining us, nice to meet ya. Today's episode is about a dog show. Do you know what a dog show is? It's where dogs go and show off their really cool moves and compete for prizes. It's something that I really enjoyed, and I hope you will too. But before we get started, don't forget, I have a magic fanny pack, and at the end of the episode, you get to see what's inside of it. Oh boy. Now we're gonna go out to the field and check in with Mr. Bert Badger at the dog show. Take it away, Bert. Hey guys, what's up? You're not gonna believe where we are today. A dog show. Do you know what a dog show is? It's where all these dogs learn tricks and they run around this obstacle course and they train so hard to do all these cool moves. I'm so excited to see dogs jump and do all these cool things. Let's go take a look. Oh, there he goes. Whoa, look at how fast he is. Whoa, he knows exactly what to do. Oh, he went through that tunnel. He's coming back. Oh, whoa. He's getting so much air, I don't even think I can jump that high. Here he comes again. Whoa, that was so high. Whoa. Oh, he's going through another tunnel. Whoa. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. He did it. Great job. That was amazing. Have you guys ever seen anything like that? I know I haven't. Okay, here goes another doggy. These dogs are so cool. Dogs are so cool, they're so obedient. No wonder they're called man's best friend. I love to pet dogs and run with them. One of my favorite things to do is give them treats. Dogs love to eat treats. You just get these little milk bones and you toss them down and they're the happiest they'll ever be. I don't even know if I could memorize all these moves. It would take me a long time. Dogs are so smart. He's having so much fun. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. He's in a tunnel. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's my favorite part. That dog did great. All these dogs are so good. Hi, I'm Bert Badger. What's your name?
Hey Bert, I'm Marquand Cheek, and this is my partner Dylan.
Hi, Marquand Cheek and Dylan. Nice to meet you. That's the name of our show.
Oh, awesome.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
This is A too.
So what's your favorite thing about dogs?
Dogs are so loyal and loving. Look at, he's just looking at me, and they like to play. We're doing this obstacle course called agility.
He did such a good job. It was so much fun to watch him.
Yeah, they love to jump and run, and it's in their nature to want to be with their owner and do fun things.
Well, you looked like you knew what you were doing out there. You were running and having so much fun. Is one of the main reasons you do this just because you have so much fun doing it?
It's fun. The dogs love it. It's good exercise. People from kids on up should be athletically fit and want to do things with their best friends, and that's what we do.
Great. Do you have any tips for anyone who wants to train a dog?
We use lots of treats. He's got some cheese and little...
I love treats!
Love treats.
Treats are my favorite!
Good boy. He'll do a trick for a treat. Okay, good boy, Dylan. Down. Yeah, good boy.
Yay, Dylan!
Good boy.
You did a great job. Hey, Mark, Dylan was so cool. Could you tell us a little bit about this whole park that they run?
Yes, there are two courses that they run. The one you just saw with the jumping elements, and then this is called a standard agility course. So it has all the big equipment. The sport was developed after horse jumping and military police dog training.
Wow, that sounds heavy duty.
All right, you want to walk the course then?
Yeah, what's this?
That's a tire that we're going to finish on this, and they have to go through the hoop, just like that.
Rough!
And that's perfect, because if you break this, it comes apart. It's magnetic, so it's for a safety feature.
Oh!
If you get through there cleanly, you won't break that, and you have a perfect score. We're concerned with safety and being fair to the dog. And let's walk over to 1, and we'll just walk this course 1 through 18. It can be up to 20 obstacles.
And they have to remember 20 obstacles?
The handler does. You see all these people walking without the dog, like horse jumping, that the owner or the handler gets to practice their maneuvers but the dog has never seen the course until they first run it. It's really quite amazing that they can negotiate this strictly on the owner's commands.
That's unbelievable.
It really is.
That's so cool. Dogs are so cool.
Dogs are cool, dogs are smart. We don't give them enough credit. So let's just walk the course, 1 through 20. Most courses will start with a jump. The number 1 is there. The courses are numbered.
1!
When they break the beam, the clock starts.
I love it.
And this is a tunnel. You'll say, tunnel, tunnel. And they have to learn to trust.
Hello! Hello!
They'll go into this dark space and you'll be here to meet them when they come out. Then they have choices here. We want to go to number 4.
4.
And then there'll be a side switch to 5. 6. That big jump is a triple. It's an extended jump. The dog has to extend their jumping flow.
Wow.
So we go around the turn. 6, 7, 8, and most of you kids will know they're coming up on a teeter-totter or a seesaw.
Cool.
And they get up there and ride it down until it hits.
What comes after 9?
That'd be number
10! 10 for the teeter-totter.
They happen to be in the yellow, ride it down. Think of how smart a dog has to be to trust you to have this ride down while they're in the air and come down.
Whoa.
It's quite amazing. Then they come to a table for a 5-second count. Prove that they can have control on an obstacle.
So it's a little bit of a breather, but not much.
Yeah. And now we climb. 5.5-foot obstacle, probably taller than most kids. And they call this the A-frame.
Oh!
It's in the shape of an A.
A is for apple.
A is for apple, A is for A-frame.
A-frames and apples. Oh boy.
All right, Bert Badger, are you as smart as a dog? Can you weave? Weave!
I can do it.
Weave, in, out, weave.
I'm doing it.
It's awesome.
I'm doing it.
And you're a good dog. We'll give you a treat. Yay!
I did it!
Good job. We're almost done. Over the jump. You can be my dog. Jump, jump, jump. Turn right. Tire, tire, tire. Through the hole, big dog. Way to go, Bert. You're the man.
I did it.
There we go. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Marq. Thank you so much, Marq. It was nice to meet you.
Thank you. Nice to meet you. It was great to have you on our dog agility obstacle course.
I'm a little bit out of breath, but I had so much fun. It was so cool that you got to show us this whole course for the dog show. Now we're gonna send it back to the studio with a Mr. Bert Badger. Thank you for that in-depth report, Mr. Bert Badger. It was great. And I gotta tell you guys,
I love dogs!
they're the best. Now we're gonna play one of my favorite games ever. Do you guys know what it is? That's right. No, you silly goose.
No, you silly goose!
Okay, all right. Oh, I got it. Would you ever put dog food in your oatmeal? Who would ever put dog food in oatmeal? That's weird. No, you silly goose.
You silly goose!
Now we're gonna go do a science experiment. Do you guys know what a science experiment is? It's when you try out a whole bunch of things and you come up with something new. Let's check in with Mr. Bert Badger and see what he's up to out in the field. Take it away, Bert. So today we're gonna make rainbow oozos. But you gotta do a little bit of prep beforehand. We're gonna take this sodium alginate and we're gonna put it in here and let it rest for about an hour. You wanna stir it up real good too. This is the base. And now you wait an hour. Now we have to put our water beads in water for an hour and let them expand because they'll soak in water and they'll expand and get bigger, and then we'll be able to make our oozos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, a million. It's not very instant, All right, we waited 1 whole hour and waited for our beads to expand and our base to turn into gelatin. We mixed them together, took out all of the water, and now we got this really weird looking solution. Next, we gotta get our activator, and we put it in 8 ounces of water. And stir it up, stir it up, stir it up. Come on, say it with me, stir it up. Stir it up. Should we put glitter in it? I say yes. Oh, that looks so cool. Whoa. Oh my gosh, that looks like it's from outer space. All right, now our base is ready, as well as our beads. So what we do is we scoop it in here, put it in the activator, and then look, turns into a little ball. That's so cool. Let's make some more of these guys. Put it in there. Do 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 do. Make sure you have an adult help you with this. And remember, this is not candy. This is chemicals. Do not eat this. Oh, what? It feels like there's like a plastic coating over this. It feels so weird. It's like there's something like encasing it. This one too. Whoa, this is so cool. Should I pop it? I should? Oh, I don't know. I'm kind of scared. Let's pop it on 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's so cool. Oh, wow. Oh, and it went back in here. Now these have plastic shell all over them. How cool. Oh, these are so much fun, you guys. Oh man, this is such a cool science experiment. I'm glad Bert Badger suggested I do this. I'm glad I got to have so much fun doing this science experiment with you guys today, and I look forward to the next one. Back to you, Bert Badger. What a great science experiment, Bert Badger. Thank you so much, you little strawberry crepe. Now it's time for one of my favorite parts of the show. It's something that you guys have been looking forward to the whole show. We're gonna see what's in my magic fanny pack. My magic fanny pack. My magic fanny pack. My fanny pack. All right, let's see what's inside my magic fanny pack. Oh boy, one of my favorite things to play with, a Super Ball. It bounces so high and you don't even have to put much effort into it. I like to play with Super Balls when I'm bored or when I want to impress people with my massive strength. Look how high I can bounce this ball. No effort. I love Super Balls. What a great treat. All right, what did we learn today? 1, we learned that dogs can do real cool tricks. And 2, dogs are man's best friend. And what did we learn about science experiments? We learned that if you mix a whole bunch of stuff together, you come up with something real cool. And it was really fun to play with. Well, I'm sorry to say our time is over. But I had such a fun time hanging out with you, and hopefully we can hang out again real soon. I'm Bert Badger, and it was nice to meet you. Come here, boy. Come here, boy.
Nice to meet you!
Thank you guys so much for watching the show today. It means so much to us. If you liked it, give us a big thumbs up. If you want to subscribe and hang out even more, hit the subscribe button. And if you want to be up to date on the latest and greatest, Bert Badger, nice to meet you. Hit that notification bell. And don't forget to tell all your buddies about how much fun you had today with the one, Mr. Bert Badger. Nice to meet you. Bye-bye. Bye, guys. Okay, go outside and play, do something productive.
I'm a robot, I'm a robot, I'm a robot, I'm a robot, I'm a robot.